Good morning. Schedule C. Who should file Schedule C? If you are a sole proprietor, which means you have your own side business or side hustle that you work on that generates some revenue, and you incur some expenses as well. Well, you are a sole proprietor if you didn't incorporate your business. So you'll file Schedule C to report pretty much your profit or loss on your business. If you are a one-member LLC, you'll file Schedule C as well. If you are one-member LLC and you didn't file Form 88, I believe Form 8832, which you could file with the IRS to treat your business as a corporation. You can either choose an S corp or a C corp. If you didn't do that, then you as one member LLC owner, you'll file Schedule C for your business. But if you fill out that Form 8832 and request to be taxed as a corporation, then you are going to file Form 1120, either 1120 or 1120S. But if you didn't do that, then Schedule C is your business tax form. If you are a statutory employee, you'll file Schedule C as well to report your income. If you receive 1099 miscellaneous form, you'll file Schedule C to report your income. If you are a qualified joint venture with your spouse, you have a qualified joint venture, you will file Schedule C, but there are conditions. The first condition is you and your spouse are the sole owners of the business. No one else is involved. You file joint tax return as well, and you both materially work on the business. So what you will do is each one of you will file Schedule C with your name and your SSN to report your share of income and expenses. Or you can split the two if you both equally participate in the business or equally own the business. And then you'll file all the forms that will follow, like self-employment tax. Each one of you will file that as well. So as a qualified joint venture, that's what you'll do. But if you have an employee or more than one, if you have an employee in the business, then you will use the business name and the business identification number to file the unemployment taxes, like 940 and 944 or 941. Those are employment and unemployment taxes. You use the business name and the business identification number to file those taxes. But for the Schedule C, you will use your name and your social security number. And even as a joint venture, you don't even need an employee identification number for your business. If you don't have it, that's totally fine. You can use your social security number. But if you have an employee, then you might have to request an employee identification number, because to report employment, to file employment taxes, you will need the employee identification number. And the same goes for one member LLC as well. One member LLC, when they file Schedule C, they will use their own name. You will use, as a one member LLC, you will use your own name on your Schedule C, and you could use the employer identification number. What I would really suggest is you use your name, your social security, you enter those on your Schedule C, and you enter your business name and your employer identification name, all four elements on your Schedule C as one member LLC. But if you have an employee, you will file employment taxes and unemployment taxes. So you'll file 940, 944, or 941 for quarterly tax return, and you will use your business name and the employer identification number on those employment tax form. But on the Schedule C, you could use you have to use your own name and the employer identification number, or you can, just to play safe, you can use all four: your name, your social security number, your business name, and your employer identification number. So those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sole proprietor, one member LLC, 1099 miscellaneous statutory employee, and qualified joint venture, those are the 5 type of businesses that you will file Schedule C for. I will put my notes in the descriptions for you to read it through, and you could also read IRS instructions for form Schedule C, and I believe the first pages, you'll be able to find those information there as well. Thank you for watching. I'm Afiavi Ojune Liberman, creators of Liberman Consulting LLC YouTube channel and owners of Nena Soap. And our website is nenasoap.com. We have free download session on our website, and I invite you to visit our website to register and access those free downloads. I'm going to show you on the computer the 3 forms that we have accessible there. We have tax form and publications there as well if you need any, but those will be more business. Not Schedule C is not there. But if you need information on Schedule C, you will need to go to IRS website and just type Schedule C, and that will pull different types of form. Or you can even pull 1040 form 1040 on the search bar, and that will pull all the form, and you just have to scroll it, and you will go to multiple pages to find Schedule C there as well. But on our free download session, you will find to-do lists to help you track the tasks you want to perform in your business and be more efficient. We have a monthly payment log. If you are trying to pay off your mortgage early, it will be a helpful template to have as well. And we have budget and monthly expense tracker that we use to track our expenses and spend within our income. So I'm going to show you those templates, and you are free to download them and try them and give us your feedback on why you think we should improve. They will be in our store as well for sale, and we will appreciate your review so that we can improve it to offer quality product to our clients. So let me show you the templates. So I believe we have the to-do list here. Let me adjust you a little bit. And that's black and white. we have, and you'll find it under printable. So we have the mortgage payment log. You'll be able to poke holes here for 3-point hole binder, and you'll be able to track your mortgage monthly payments for the whole year on one sheet, which makes it easy to to see how much you are paying toward interest and additional principal. We have our budget and monthly expense tracker as well. So this one is color, but we'll be able to print it black and white as well, but color printer is recommended, and that pretty much has all the left side fill out for you to just put your estimate and your actual expenses. So we have it there as well. You'll be able to download it for free and start tracking your expenses. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please click on like and subscribe.